we go. All right, we are back. This is the new Viz Money Finance Show. Talk about business, investments, and the economy. All right, let's get started. This is our premiere show on New Viz Money. And today we're going to be talking about the 3 best cryptos for first-time investors. All right, and I grabbed this article by Emma Newberry. I actually don't remember what where I got this from, but I'll find it and I'll leave it in the description box. All right, so she talks about 3 best cryptos. And first she talks about how cryptocurrency can be risky. All right, and it says bigger crypto is a better bet for beginner crypto investors instead of going for the small ones like the meme coins. Dogecoin has been profitable for a lot of people, but there's some other meme currencies out there that actually, there was one, I think it was similar to Dogecoin that I think it was 2 people that swindled everyone out of at least $2 million. All right, so the next, when you're first buying cryptocurrencies, it can seem overwhelming at first. Even opening an account can be a challenge. You want to use what do you call them? Platforms like Coinbase is one popular one, but they have several others. And so with a little effort, you can get going. And let's take a look at what she says 3 of the best cryptocurrencies are. But before we do that, let's go over some of the risks. Here are some of the things you can do to protect your investment. So only invest what you can afford to lose if the market goes belly up. Because of volatility, you can lose or gain so much inside of a week. A lot of coins will drop and die. So load up your emergency funds and retirement before investing in cryptocurrencies. This is good advice, but I know some of us don't have time for that. Like me, I don't have time for that. I gotta go right now and invest in cryptocurrencies. Limit crypto investments to about 5% of your complete portfolio, which is also good advice. But where does the other 95% supposed to go? I guess it could go in stocks, bonds, ETFs. I'm not disclaimer, I'm not a financial expert, but I'm giving you some info here that could be helpful. All right, use a trusted cryptocurrency platform. As I was saying before, like Gemini, eToro, or Coinbase. If y'all know any better ones, let me know in the comments. That would be helpful information. Continue to do research because of the volatility. It's good to stay current on the market, just in case. All right, invest long term so you don't panic as the market rises and falls. Beware of capital gains tax for any profit you may see. All right, so here we go. The first cryptocurrency she is listed is Bitcoin, and there's no surprise there. Bitcoin has crashed several times, but it's still here. And I remember, what was it? I think it was 2017 or 18. It was a big crash. And I mean, I didn't have any inside information, but I had sold some Bitcoin before the crash. It was just I happened to want to get some out. Oh, excuse me. Hold on. All right. Yeah, I happened to want to get some out, and think like the day after it crashed. So it was crazy. All right. Bitcoin influences the prices of smaller cryptocurrencies, which is why you do want to invest in Bitcoin. Smaller cryptocurrencies are a higher risk because they could be made by egregious characters. As I was saying earlier, you got some scam artists out there. All right, and it could be bought in fractions if whole Bitcoin is too much, and I don't know anyone who has, 67,000. I don't know what's Bitcoin at right now. Let's see. As of this recording, Bitcoin is at, I think it's lower than 67,000. Hold on, let me open my app. Searching. Oh no. Okay. I cannot get in my app. Okay. There we go. Okay, I'm in. Bitcoin is at $57,033. No, it actually just went lower than 57,000. Well, it's changing by the second. Anyway, the point is it's a lot lower than 67,000, which it was at last week. Down 10,000 plus. All right. So the next currency to invest in is Ethereum. It is largely used in the decentralized finance industry. And so yeah, let's see what is decentralized finance. Decentralized finance is a system that uses a public blockchain network making financial products available for anyone to use, and it is not a part of centralized financial institutions. Ethereum is the second biggest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin. It has some problems with scale, but an upgrade is being developed. It is expected to be complete in 2022. All right. So the third and last cryptocurrency Newberry lists is Cardano. It's a fairly new cryptocurrency. I had not heard of it before reading this article. It is currently being used in blockchain technology as a file for students' academic records in Ministry of Education in Ethiopia. Developing Cardano has been slow and steady, being a little behind in attracting developers as well as investors. Final thoughts on this do your due diligence on selecting cryptocurrencies to invest in is paramount. Yes, do your research. And be careful not to be fooled into certain cryptocurrencies because they may very well be a scam, as I mentioned earlier. All right. This will do it for the premiere episode of New Viz Money. Thank you for your participation. Thank you for checking it out. And we'll leave some other links to different videos in the corner for next time. And we'll be back next week for the new episode of New Viz Money. Thank you for joining us.